I turned 19 today. Yay! Happiest birthday to me. Wow.
When the wild winds blow through the empty pathways of my mind.
So great. Yes. First of all, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your Ritika, aka Unscripted Ritu. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, do follow me. We are so close to 11k, and I'm so much excited for the upcoming time because I have so much interesting content, for you all. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start a vlog which is about my life, which is about my thing. Like, yeah, it's me. Finally, I'm speaking about myself. Finally, I'm introducing myself. Finally, I'm introducing my whole life to you. So this vlog is going to be about like how my life went, how my childhood was, like everything, like especially 18-year-old Ritika was. So let's continue. मैं तो लिप ग्लॉस ही हट गया. खैर जाने दो. Okay, so talking to my life, it starts with my childhood. I was the first girl who was born in a hospital, who was born with an operation to my mom. And I was like, everyone called me Mehengi because I charged 25,000 to took a birth. Because operation के time पे 25,000 लगे थे, वो वाला scene था. And at that time 25,000 was worth a lot. I was cute, I was so white, we can say, pretty, beautiful ever. To my siblings, as mama was indulged with the household activities, so my sister used to keep me. And because of me, she was not able to enjoy, because she was not able to play games. So I'm so sorry for this thing, but this is the thing. So I have always been my sister's girl. Like, I can't live without my sister. It's like my मतलब समझ जाओ, I'm so close to my sister, and it's like I can't see her crying. Never, never ever. It's like मुझे कर लो जो करना है, but not to my sister. So it's like I have always been my sister's girl, and we have been close since my birth, and we used to spend a lot of time. And I was so chulbuli, we can say, and I was so dramatic, like so, and I had वो कहते हैं ना साफ सफाई का भूत. मैं छोटी थी, मुझे तब भी था. So it's like it's me. है ना. And I was so playful. I was not so much in studies. I'm like, मुझसे पढ़ाई से दूर रखो. मैं रोती थी. मेरे घर वालों ने मुझे ट्यूशन करा रखा था. लाइक सच में कोई उम्र है ट्यूशन कराने की, भाई बच्चों खेलने के लिए भेजो. मैं रोती थी. I still remember my parents or my sisters telling me that I used to give supari to my tuition wale bhaiya, telling him ki please bhaiya let me go, I will make a tea for you, I will work for you, fulana dhimkana. And it's so embarrassing, I know. So this is the thing. And this was my childhood, and that's all I remember. And I used to spend my vacations with my mami ji and with my mausi वगैरह, and that's the reason we are close. Coming to my teenage life, it was quite dramatic, horrible, experiencing, we can और क्या बोल सकते हैं, मतलब whatever जितने भी नाटक होते हैं ना धिमतना धिमतना वाले, I had that life. Because turning to teenage is quite hard, because we think कि हम ही हैं इस पूरी दुनिया में जो सही है, हम जो कर रहे हैं वही सही है. Being with someone is cool कि we have our boyfriend at this age, but to be honest, I was clear with one thing, that I will not make male friends. And you know what, till 6th I was living with this concept कि I will be like girls are enough for me, ऐसे वैसे. I'm the girl who always wanted to have a group of crazy friends जो हमेशा enjoy करे, है ना, ऐसा कुछ रहे. But God has better, but but God has different plans for me. I don't know वो कब करेंगे. So it's like I have never got a group of friends, like never. It's like मेरी तो किस्मत में ही नहीं है ना. And till starting from 7th I changed my school in 6th class. And 6th में I was introvert क्योंकि मुझे English बोलनी नहीं आती थी. And I was in convent school तो मैं नहीं बोलती थी. 7th में I learned English तो इस वजह से मेरे फ्रेंड्स वगैरह बने, मतलब भाई लोग वगैरह बने. हम लोग मस्त इन्जॉय करते थे. माई बेस्ट क्लास ऑफ द स्कूलिंग वॉज 8th में आई इन्जॉयड अ लॉट. लाइक 8th में सब कुछ सीखा. 8th के अंदर मैं महारानी बन के रहती थी. 8th के अंदर मैं मेरे घर वालों की नहीं सुनती थी. लाइक 8th क्लास वॉज द वन, यू नो, एट एवरीथिंग यू आर एट पीक. सो इट्स लाइक 8th क्लास वॉज नाइस फॉर मी. एंड ऑल्सो ठोकरी भी खाई बहुत अच्छी. आई रिमेंबर माई दीदी वॉज द रीज़न. Thing about my dream, being an actress was my dream when I was in my 8th standard. I used to cry, I used to fight with my parents, I used to fight with my sister कि नहीं मेरे को इसी में जाना है, मुझे ऐसे करना है, मुझे वैसे करना है, मुझे बहुत कुछ करना है, ऐसे वैसे बहुत कुछ हुआ, बहुत ज़्यादा नाटक हुआ था. I still remember I wanted to start TikTok but मोबाइल नहीं था, इतना कुछ नहीं था. बट इवन आई स्टार्टेड 7th में. आई डिड गेट ट्रोल्ड विथ सो मैनी गर्ल्स, लाइक थ्रू सो मैनी गर्ल्स. दे यूज टू गेट जेलस ऑफ मी, यू नो, आई एम लाइक दिस. सो इट्स लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा रूमर्स वगैरह भी फैले. दैट वॉज न्यू फॉर मी. लेकिन मेरे को 12th पास करने के बाद पता चला कि ऐसा भी होता है क्या, रूमर्स, ट्रोल, ये सब भी होना होता है क्या, मेरे को पता नहीं था. लेकिन मेरे साथ हुआ था. आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन अ गर्ल हु वांटेड टू लर्न एवरीथिंग, एवरीथिंग. भाई मुझे सब कुछ करवा लो, तुम पढ़ाई के अलावा मुझे सब कुछ करवा लो. आई एम गुड एट एवरीथिंग. 9th के अंदर आई चेंज द स्कूल. मैं कॉन्वेंट से गर्ल्स स्कूल में चली गई थी. एंड वहाँ पे सब कुछ नया था. और 9th-10th में मैं वैसे स्कूल नहीं गई थी तो मैं किसी को जानती नहीं थी. तो 10th वॉज लाइक थोड़ी सी बस चली गई. इट वॉज लाइक दिस, मतलब देयर वर सम पीपल हु यूज टू नो मी with my funky and my cheerful behavior. I uploaded my first vlog after my 10th boards. And I started vlogging and I used to have my Instagram. Like 10th में मेरी दीदी ने मेरे को बना के दे दिया था. Starting vlog on YouTube was the biggest decision and like was the nice decision of my life. 11th was nice to be honest because I was so active in so many activities. It was like a new phase for me because you know subject वगैरह चेंज करने होते हैं. So I took commerce. मेरी दीदी ने भी वही लिया था तो मैं भी, you know, stress goal guys, वो वाला ही सीन है. You know what the thing is, I became good at studies when I was in my 11th. But क्योंकि मेरे को कॉमर्स अच्छा लगा था and I used to enjoy BST, economics, ये सारे सब्जेक्ट्स. और फिर बच्चे भी थोड़े अच्छे थे. टीचर्स coming back to the teachers was nice, like best teachers of my life I ever had. वो वाला सीन था, ठीक है. And I was getting recognition because I was so active in extracurricular activities, and I was known to be a multi-talented girl who loves doing everything, and it was like nice. I had a group in my 11th. I tried to build groups at every stage of my life जहाँ पे मुझे friends दिखे, but I failed. So it's like I never had a perfect group. So 11th में भी we had a group of 4 or 5 girls, I remember, but I ended up getting hurt by them too. And I was happy at that moment of my life because I was getting recognition. Teachers were perfect, my school life was perfect, vlogging was perfect, my social media life was going so perfect, and everything became so perfect to me. And we also had a group at that time, so it's like I was good at everything at that time. But still, as I was growing, so it was quite hard. Life in my 12th is drastic, to be honest, because everything's changed. I saw real faces of the people. It was so depressing. I used to study a lot. In mid of 12th, I created my this 10K wala account. So it was like people used to adore me and they used to support me. But I was confident about myself. That's the thing. I had self-confidence at this level in my 12th standard, you know. People used to ask me, Ritika, from where did you bring this confidence in yourself? I was so positive. I was like hell positive at that time. So it's like my aura, my everything was so nice. People, teachers was also nice to me, and I'm so grateful for this thing. And special thanks to Deepika ma'am. She is the one, like she is the main reason my 11th and 12th was nice. I was so pressurized from the starting of my 12th because of family pressure, and I was so depressed because my family was becomes quite toxic. At that time, I'm so grateful to Kalpana Mozi and Pihu Didi. They helped me a lot at that phase, and that's the reason I'm like this now. And thank you so much for being there when I needed you. In my 12th, my dream was to get away from my home after 12th, to go far as far I can go. I wanted to be an international student at a moment of my life, and my content was getting recognized. Millions में views आ रहे थे, and I was getting reach in millions, and I met so many creators. Uh, yes, you. And I'm grateful that 12th was drastic change. Like 12th was drastic for me because I met so many peoples. I lost so many peoples. I am a creator now. Like I worked so hard. I was constant with my creations, and I was creating and creating. No, I was not worrying about my devices, my network issues. Like I was unstoppable at that time. Coming to my after 12 things, I took a drop. Who don't know, I took a drop for preparing NID, and I was preparing for NID and NIFT. I did even took a coaching, and that is still going. Taking a drop was the hardest decision because everyone around me, like my classmates, my friends, they were all going in a colleges. They were deciding they have to do this, they have to do this, and I was the one, like in my whole circle, I am the only one who has a job, like except who is not preparing for CA, NEET, and all and all. So it's like it was quite hard for me. You know, they used to they used to comment me like why I took a drop, falana dhimkana. And at that time I was creating so much on social media. My content was nice. In person, if I say, in a drop year, I grown a lot, like a lot. I knew how people actually are. I get to know how life actually is. Drop is the reason why I became an introvert now, because I was extreme extrovert, but after drop I knew कि भाई लोग बाग कैसे होते हैं, so that's the reason I have became introvert. And now I have Chotu Sa circle. There was a phase in my life, like in a drop year, where I was so sad, I was depressed, I was upset, I was not satisfied with myself. I know I'm doing everything wrong. I was not preparing for my exam. I was not studying. Like everything was messed up, and all I needed was someone to hold me and tell me that Ritika, you can do it. And thanks to Ayushi, because she was the one who did so, and she is the one who's always like Ayushi and Yashika, like they are the one who held me in my dead phase. And thank you so much for being with me again, and I love you guys so much. I did so many things in my drop year too. Like I started doing internship, and I helped my inner child buying by buying all the stationery stuff that I always wanted to have in my life with my own money. And I'm so grateful for the drop year too. Like I learned a lot. So this is a note to my 90-year old self, that I know who you were, and I will know who you are going to be. But I want you to be happy. Like, don't be afraid of what people will say. Don't be afraid of who is going to resist you. And you are someone. Like, live your life as a someone, not as someone's sister, not as someone's daughter. Live a life as someone who loves doing everything. Like, be unstoppable, Ritika, be unstoppable. I want you to be unstoppable. Don't be distracted with some of fellows. Don't get stuck somewhere you are choosing, somewhere where you are prioritizing someone. else over your dream. I want you to be unstoppable, not for others, but for you or for your sister who is working so hard out there just to make your life better. And the thing you have to do this year is to find yourself. I know your 18-year-old was Bewkoof, so you don't know. But I'm giving you a work, I'm giving you an assignment to do. And you have to complete it by 25 February 2026, where you will be turning 20. I want you to find who you truly are. I want you to know your worth. Who are you? Don't resist yourself. Don't make yourself introvert because of someone broke your trust. Not like this. This doesn't go this way, baby girl. This doesn't go this way. You should know this thing that you always have to be what you are. You don't have to change yourself for others. ठीक है? I'm gonna slap you if you will be this, if you will be the same at this thing. I'm gonna slap you, I'm telling you. Like, be different, bhai. Take things lightly. There are so many things that happened, but be light, be calm, and don't be stressed. Don't be like hectic. Don't be in so hurry. Don't be so desperate. Take things lightly. Whether it is your career, whether it is with someone's life or with a bond, or whether it is your family, take things lightly, I'm telling you. And do everything you always wanted to do: skating, dance, kathak, bharatnatyam, swimming, everything, like everything जो भी आपको करना था आप सब करो. You are unlimited, you have so many options, you have your sister to support you. But तू क्यों नहीं करती है भैंस क्या? तू करा करना. तुझे किसने रोक रखा है? कल को मर जाएगी तो क्या होगा तेरा? करा कर, समझी? सारी चीज़ कर, सारी ए से लेके जेड तक, एज मच एज यू कैन डू. सब कर भाई. पता होना चाहिए कि हाँ भाई मुझे सब आता है. गिटार बजा, पता है तेरी आवाज़ ख़राब है लेकिन बजा, क्या जा रहा है? फॉर योर हैप्पीनेस, नॉट फॉर अदर्स. I'm still telling you, for your happiness, not for others. Create and create, यार. Don't be unstoppable here. I'm telling you, create and create. Like बनाती जा, बनाती जा, बनाती जा. जितना हो सके उतना बनाती जा. तेरे पास एक inspiration है. You have someone who inspires you. You have someone who adores you. You have someone out there in a world who wants you to grow. So grow for them. Grow for yourself. There are so many people who appreciate you. You have 10,000 people with you. Create and create as much as you can. बनाती जा, बनाती जा, बनाती जा, बनाती जा. अपलोड करी जा, करी जा, करी जा, करी जा. ना ही नेटवर्क इशू है, ना ही मोबाइल का है, बट कोई ना, it will be get sorted. Right, girl, you should be unstoppable. You should create. You should indulge yourself in creating. There are people out there. There are girls out there to whom you are the inspiration. So create for them as much as you can. I'm telling you, just create. And you should know who are the real persons. Like, भाई, I know that you are extrovert, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि आप हर किसी से बातें कर रहे हो. अगर कर भी रहे हो तो you should know कि आपको इसको बाउंड्री में ले रहे हो, कि इसको बाउंड्री में नहीं ले रहे हो. Be with the person who wants to see you grow. ठीक है? I know you have them, but still. You should pick those people who wants you to grow, then throw away the rest of the time and stay with them. ठीक है? And explore. I know you have so much in upcoming time. I know you have to do so much in upcoming future, but explore. Just be creative and explore the things. सब सीख, सब भेज क्या सब आना चाहिए मेरे को. ऐसा वाला एटीट्यूड रख. लाइक कोई बोले ना कि हु आर यू, देन यू शुड नो हाउ टू आंसर विद दिस क्वेश्चन. लाइक हु एम आई? आर यू आस्किंग मी सीरियसली? सो कम लेट मी टेल यू हु एम आई रियली आर. ठीक है? ऐसे रहे. That's it. I just want you to see you happy, and thank you so much. Love your old self too, because that was hard for them to deal to. but don't hate the old version of you, who she was. And create and create and create. Be happy, be unstoppable, love yourself. And at the end of the day, the only thing I will say is I love you so much, 19-year-old Ritika or 17-year-old Ritika. You were the best, you are the best, and you are going to be the best. Okay? So love yourself. I love you. I trust you. I have faith in you that you are unstoppable, and there are so many things. There is so many good things to come in your life. So be on a track, create and create, be happy. Thanks to Radhe Krishna, and I promise I will try my level hard to be what I always wanted to be.